guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? I'm here at Taiwan, no? A brief stopover on my trip to the US for a quick break vacation. No? I decided to make a video on innovation. So there's a big saying in business that it's either you innovate or perish. Yan. So when I was walking around the airport, Taoyuan Airport, I was going around. So I saw a lot of innovations that I haven't seen before. Yun. So yung mga yung mga gates nila, yung mga boarding gates nila are all different, may kanya-kanyang themes. Merong Sanrio, merong Taiwan Cinema. So iba-iba. So no two boarding gates are alike. Unlike the other or most airports, pare-pareho yan, identical. Ito iba-iba. So merong cinema, ang motif, so ang mga seats nila parang pang movie house. Meron naman Sanrio, popular cartoons na may merchandising pa. So what's my point, no? They're making a differentiation of themselves, no? Itong airport of the Taiwan for that matter, no? Going to the villages in the Philippines, parang napaka-ordinaryo na yung may basketball court, merong clubhouse, merong swimming pool. So I think much innovation or much creativity is warranted in the villages, no. So siguro iba merong sports facilities, yung iba merong towers, iba may additional sports facilities like yung what's new now, pickleball, no. Wala pa ako nakikitang village na specifically for pickleball, no. Well, my point is that the developers need to innovate. Okay, innovate or perish. Yan. So they have to come up with amenities or other things that will make a client want to buy from their village, no. So tell me below there in the comment section ano yung naiisip niyo na innovation na pwede, no, na hindi naiisip nila, no. So yun lang. So I just wanted to make that point na it's either you innovate or you perish. Meaning may iwanan ka. It's very universal. Pwede yun in our personal lives, in our business, in our profession, that we should always innovate. Kaya nga yung mga corporation, merong chief innovation officers. Just to wag maging stagnant, wag maging irrelevant. So yun muna. So Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay in faith. God bless.